What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over our friend Winkle. We're currently up about 6% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 22.5 million. 24-hour volume is 8.061 million. So we're going to pop straight into it, guys. If you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Incredible benefits, my favorite platform for investing. And you get $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So I wanted to make you guys aware of this bull flag. You can see we've broken out of this pattern here as Bitcoin has just had an unbelievable bounce. And your breakout target would bring you up here to about 0.0010 for Wink. So we are breaking out here, guys. And that's a juicy little gain there of 44% for Wink. Absolutely incredible. Would bring us back above the 0.5 on the Fibonacci. I do think we would hit some resistance at 0.00095. We are trending a bit into overbought. Not too bad here on the 4-hour chart, but we are quite overextended for Wink on the daily. I do think a correction is imminent. Maybe we'll just see some consolidation as Bitcoin is just looking so strong. So we may see some consolidation and allow the RSI to fall back down into a healthy level. You can see we're quite overbought. We're about 90 on the RSI. And the last time we were that overbought was the very peak of our bull run. Now, if we do see a correction here, I think a level of support for us could be in this range here of about 0.0057 and 0.0048. This little range here, you can see the resistance in this area and the support right here as well, and 0.0048, there's support in that area as well. So if we were to correct and come back down to the EMAs here on the daily, that's where I think we could find some support, or we'll simply just consolidate at this level as the bulls are just showing tremendous strength. And then your next price target is 0.0009, and then you have the golden ratio at a 0.0012. And you know what happens if you get back above the golden ratio? Beautiful sign of continuation that you're going to go to your all-time high and all the way up to the 1.272 extension at 0.0059. All right, guys, but we should see at least a little bit of consolidation or a small correction here pretty soon, as we're quite overbought. That doesn't mean we won't head up to 0.0095, but just look at the RSI, guys. We're quite overbought. So it would be healthy to see a little bit of consolidation or a small correction here. So I just wanted to make you guys aware of that bull flag, and you can see we're currently breaking out for those who are trading Wink. If anyone knows where I can trade Wink with leverage, I'd really appreciate it, because I can't do it on Binance and I cannot do it on a Bybit either. And if you want to sign up to Bybit, you can receive up to $1,600. Like how I plugged that in there, you can receive up to $1,600 in bonuses, only up to August 19th. So make sure to sign up as quick as you can through my referral in the comments. All right, guys. So quick little update here for Wink, just to show you guys that bull flag pattern. And we have those future price targets at 0.005 and all the way up at 1 cent, 0.011 for Wink, which I do believe will make it to on this bull run, and quite possibly much more. And that's a juicy gain from the current price of about 1,200% for Wink. I love Wink. I'm a big believer in Wink Link and BTT as well. A lot of people hate on the Tron ecosystem, but not me and not everybody else who loves Wink. So that's it for this one, guys. Smash that like button. Short and sweet, only about 4 minutes. Make sure to follow me on social. Check out crypto.com. Check out Bybit as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Much love.